One of the mysteries of Mobi is that although he's fitted with a 5-speed gearbox, and checking the Fahrzeug brief, he has a 5-gang Getriebe, which is a 5-speed gearbox. In his paperwork, the gear selector is marked 4-speed and definitely doesn't have the ability to go over into a 5th. When I got it, it was really kind of poorly adjusted, and you could select reverse with the lift up, and actually also first was kind of in there as well, so you could just about get 5th. So someone had obviously had to replace the selector and they only had a 4-speed to hand. It's a matter of lifting the gaiter and hoping that I can get away with doing this without actually doing the selector shaft underneath, because that's actually nicely adjusted for reverse and up to 4th gear. So I might get away with just changing this part. I have a feeling I'm going to have to lift this tray. I'll show you how to do that in a minute, especially to get it back in. Start minding the seats and everything now. Car takes on a different status once it gets back on the road. Okay, now just lift out. And there's your gear selector. And luckily I have a 5-speed one here. Yeah, losing all the bolts, that's not working. I have to take out the tray. So the tray is held in by screws underneath these little plugs. So you can put a screw in this little hole and pull up the plug, and that reveals the screw. Same at the back there. And I knew this little screwdriver would come in handy. Thanks, Ted. So now, lift it out. I have a lot more space to deal with this. The ball at the bottom of the selector goes down into that cup, and then you can select your gears. I know some of the stuff that's going into this car isn't particularly tidy, but I have to use the car from tomorrow, and there'll definitely be another phase of work on the car when we tidy it and kind of bring it up to a higher standard. But that'll be from a point of it actually being in service. So we'll know it an awful lot better at that stage then. If I get 2 of these in, and we'll test it. So, first, second, third, fourth, 5th. And special sound of a reverse. Lovely! Excellent. That'll give us a bit of fuel economy, because I'm heading on a long trip now. Heading to Wexford for the Wexford hill climb, and after that and coming back I'm hopefully going to go to the 50th celebrations at Mondello Park, and then after that, coming back and rendezvousing with my uncle, who shall be here already. So let's all go. That's right, we did the whole Ted's Opel Vauxhall run with just 4 gears, but it was a relatively low speed run anyway, so didn't really notice it. But there'll even be some motorway driving this weekend now, so. I think this just closed in. And then tray going over the lever. I'll do this one first, and that'll line up the other one because it's hard to see if the other one's in alignment or not. Cool, let's go test that on the road.